Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the NCLEX LPN using an easy method. We'll cover key strategies to help you feel confident and prepared for exam day. First, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the test structure and question styles, including multiple choice and alternative formats. Next, we'll discuss how to prioritize your study materials, focusing on high-yield topics. Finally, I'll share tips for creating a manageable study routine. To truly master the material, active learning is essential. Incorporate a significant number of practice questions into your daily routine, aiming for at least 75 questions each day. Don't just answer them. Thoroughly review the rationales for every question, understanding why an answer is correct or incorrect. This deep dive into explanations helps solidify your knowledge and identify areas needing more attention. Consider joining a study group to discuss challenging topics. On test day, preparation extends beyond just your knowledge. Ensure you get a full 8 hours of sleep the night before to keep your mind sharp. Plan to arrive at the testing center at least 30 minutes early. This allows time for check-in and helps you settle in without rushing. During the exam, take deep breaths if you feel overwhelmed and focus on one question at a time. Trust your preparation and maintain a positive mindset. As you approach the exam, remember to prioritize self-care. Engage in relaxing activities to manage any pre-exam anxiety, ensuring you're mentally fresh. During the test, if you encounter a difficult question, trust your initial instincts. Often, your first thought is the correct one. Don't overthink it. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your living space, check out the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. You've worked hard. Now go ace that NCLEX LPN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.